The Nothing formula was clear from the beginning. There is nothing crazy or groundbreaking except for the design and software. Of course, that part, nothing crazy, is also part of the identity. Here it is, the Nothing Phone 4B, which is a tier below the A series. As you may know, Nothing has a sub-brand called CMF for budget products. Some say that this was actually a CMF Phone Pro. That was too expensive to be a CMF phone. And Nothing has adopted it, which I completely agree with it. This is Nothing Phone 4B review, so let's dive it out. Design is where it doesn't disappoint. That's what Nothing does. Designs that are special, but simplicity and elegance are not sacrificed. They are focused on being special. You can see the design for yourself. It's simple, it has 2 camera lenses, a flashlight, a microphone, and a red LED that lights up when recording videos. There are no glyphs on any of the Nothings, but its legacy is almost everywhere. There are also 3 white LEDs here that you can customize for notifications and alarms. Of course, how much can you customize the 3 LEDs? It's still interesting. Maybe even a little practicality score can be given to it, you know? I don't like the body material, it's plastic, and the plastic isn't very high quality either. The display glass has no grill on it, and it has IP64. But the front panel is completely symmetrical, the bezels aren't small, but it's symmetrical, which is a plus. Its software is Android 16 and NothingOS 4.1 with just 3 years of support. Not great, 4 is a standard now. But it's really nice. It's like the 2026 version of OxygenOS from the old OnePlus phones. It's very smooth, the animations are fast and fun, and it's very easy to work with it. It's not as feature-packed as One UI, and the AI is okay, but it's not top-notch. It has an essential space button that lets you ask questions and categorizing your screenshots. It also has Google's own features. Overall, its software scores really well. Other than that, everything else is average. Large 120Hz Full HD AMOLED display with acceptable brightness and readability under sunlight. The display is definitely good, but these specs are everywhere these days. It's nothing crazy. The stereo speaker is really good for its price. It has an optical fingerprint sensor under the display. Its speed is average, suitable for its price. I would have liked its hardware to be better. A Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 and 8GB of RAM and UFS 2.2. It's average at this price, maybe a little less. There are no problems with the UI itself, but in high quality games and photography, you completely feel that the hardware was not the priority. The cooling system is good, but it also gets quite hot sometimes. It has a good battery, 5200 mAh for a day of medium heavy use, and 33 watt wired charging. In India, the battery is 6000 mAh, which definitely lasts more than a day. For that country, the battery is a strong point. The Nothing Phone 4B definitely doesn't have the best camera, with a 50MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 16MP selfie. It takes good photos in daylight, with acceptable dynamic range, relatively accurate colors, high contrast, and poor detail and sharpness. Portrait recognize the subject relatively well, and the background blur is nice. Night photos are noisy. They are soft, the colors aren't very accurate, but they have good detail, and their dynamic range is acceptable. I don't like the ultra-wide photos at all. There is too much distortion, and the overall quality is only good in perfect daylight. The selfies are good for the price, with decent face processing and satisfactory detail, and good dynamic range. Overall, it's a lovely phone. Nothing crazy, but like the rest of the Nothings, it definitely feels special. And to be honest, that's the selling point of the company. And I like it. It's awesome. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like it, and if you like my content, subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, see you next video.